Hello everyone, traders everywhere around the world. How are you doing? How was your last trading week? Hope you've been good. Yeah, me, I've been okay. And since our last trading analysis, we've been good so far. And for those who have been following me on Instagram, been seeing all the trades that I've been taking and how they came up and the profits we made through them. Yeah, thank you very much. This video, I don't want to take it for a long time. I think I'll record it for just a few minutes. I don't want to make very long, boring videos for you guys. I want you to be always vibrant and thinking. I'm gonna make some analysis on, I think, four to five currency pairs. Yes, and that's gonna be Euro USD, GBP USD, US CAD, and a commodity gold. I think that's what we should look at for this coming week. Yeah, let's start right away. Let's start with Euro with our monthly chart. This is how it is. Today is the 12th January 2020. Yes, let's start right away. If you look at our monthly, we've been going down, sloping down, and if I look at this high and this low, and this low, what do you think when you look at that? What do you think when you see something like this? Anyone can guess? Anyone can guess? The market has been printing lower lows, lower highs, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. What's going on here? Who can guess what's going on here? This was our lower high, but when it came down, we expected this market to make a lower low, and it failed from here and it went up to make another high here. Then what do you think is happening here? If let's go down to the lower time frame. If you look at our lower time frame, this is the high which was breached by this. When it came up, we expected it to go down and break this low, but it failed and it stalled here and it pushed up. When it pushed up, what do you think is happening here? It made a high higher than this high. Now it's retesting. I was looking at this pair the whole of this week. Remember, we have just breached here. We haven't breached this high. We already breached here. We haven't breached this high. When we breach this high, if you look at, let me go back to the monthly. When we breach this high, this will change the whole bias, the whole monthly bias to the upside when we breach this high. So far we have just breached here. When I look at in the weekly, I'm changing my bias to a bullish bias for now. A bullish bias for now. Reason being, when we breached this high, look how when it came this week, it came and now stalled at this low here. It stalled at this low here. We failed to break here. So that if you look at the daily now, you see how this indecision came up. This indecision candle came up here. What does this signify? We are going up. We are going up. Excuse me. We are going up. Look at also the week, monthly. Let's go back to the monthly. Another confluence that's telling me that we might be heading to a long-term upside move at euro is that this consolidation, this movement was a retest of this consolidation. We pushed up, so retesting. From the retesting, we have to push up again. On top of that, if we use our Fibonacci's tell us what we are at our 61.8, meaning this is where we are forming our heads and shoulders. We are going to form heads and shoulders here, and we push up higher, push up higher. This is a push up higher zone for Euro USD. Let me shrink this currency pair. What else can we think about? What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys? Look how it came, bounced, retest, bounce. Yes, so we are moving up in the long run very soon on the euro, but low time frames on daily, yeah, this indecision shows something. This indecision shows something. We might be forming our heads and shoulders right now here, whereby this is our shoulder, head, another shoulder, push up, retest, push up. That's my euro. Let's go to the GBP USD. Start from the monthly as usual. Monthly GBP cable. That's what sometimes some people call it. Monthly, yes, we have our high. We've been moving down. We failed to break this, forming double bottom here. We have this bottom and this bottom. What do you think, guys? Look at this. What do you think? You have to push up higher. We are pushing up higher. GBP is back in action, pushing up higher. From that, if you continue to go down, we breached this small high here, so we breached it with this wick. Then we are retesting. I think we may come here down here to these levels. Then we continue up higher, forming another small head and shoulders around here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly, this is so good, guys. to the downside. It looks so good to the downside. Look, all this week, pushed up high, rejection, push up higher, rejection. Where are we heading, guys? We are heading to this lows here, lows here. Let's see our daily shows. Wow. You see how we've started our lower lows and lower highs. Look at this high, it's lower than this one. For people who don't see nicely, please look at that. We are pushing down, we are heading to this low here. Look at that. When we breach this low, the next one will be here. This is the level that I'm talking about. This is where I will be looking at to buy here. But for now, sells. Look at the 4 hours, guys. If you don't sell this, I don't know what you'll be thinking about. Disclaimer: don't take this as gospel. Just combine it with your analysis, then you trade. But look, a push down, a retest, a push down, a retest, a push down, and it's starting to push down right now. It's pushing down. Look at this sweet setup. These are pips. Let me see how many pips today. First target. Look at all these pips. Yes. Okay, let's go to the next time frame. Sorry, current pair. Sorry. Let me remove this grid. Yes. Sorry. I don't know where's my time template. Let's look at our starting from the week monthly. Let me remove this. Look at the monthly USD Canadian dollar. Of course, this is a clear chart. We broke down the test this zone, now pushing down again. Which level are we heading to? This is the level that we're heading to. Let's go down. Look at the rejection. Sorry guys, I'm feeling so sleepy. I've been sleeping all day today. That's why I speak like I'm from bed. Okay, let's continue. Look at this rejection here. Guys, what do you think when you look at something like this? We are pushing down to this level. Let me check out the daily. Look at this rejection, guys. Look at this rejection. Oh, pour down. Guys, what else do you need? Push, retest. Wait for that push down. To this level. This is the neckline. This level is the neckline of this heads and shoulders. This is the shoulder. This is the neck. This is the head. All of this area is the head. Then we are coming to the neck. We push for the shoulder. Then we down we have to go down long term, go down to these areas down here. Price levels of 1.22 here. That's Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar. Lastly, let's have gold. Gold has been moving up high and is still going up high. It's still moving up high. Gold moving up high. Which levels? To these levels. Gold, my prediction says it will reach 1761 per barrel here. Gold, and because of the these Middle East wars that are going on, of course oil prices are going up much higher. Now look at the Iran and the US, the way they're fighting and everything. Of course this pushes oil to be very expensive to the upside. Yes, so look at here, we are moving up high and it will continue to move up high according to our monthly. It's entering a new range, monthly range. At first I thought maybe it will stall here. When it stall here, it will go down, retest maybe moving average, but it did not. It just broke up high, and it caught many traders here who thought maybe it's starting to go down after testing this range, but it just broke up. So I expected this to continue up high. No sales at all, no sales at gold. I'm not selling gold at all. We are moving up higher. We need to go up to this. Continue. Look at that. This is our daily showing up movement, upside movement. So yeah, that's it for this week, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Continue liking us, continue to support us, share the videos if you really love it. When you share it, really it gives me more energy to make more of these videos. Please also follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I've got it. I have a Facebook page which I also post some good insights there. Please, let's make this a big thing. Let's make it a big thing. Yes, I love you guys. I love you a lot, and we'll always continue to make these videos for you guys. Thank you very much.